Yeah. No pain. No fear. 2026. This is war mode, no excuses. Wake up early, darkness calling my name. Sweat on my body, fire inside my veins. Heavyweight pressure, but I don't break down. Built from the struggle, now I wear the crown. Every rep hurts, but pain is my fuel. I'm like a warrior, I don't ever lose while they sleep. I'm chasing that beast, grinding every day, never settling for least. Mirror reflects all the scars that I earned. Every failure became lessons I learned. Iron and thunder, heartbeat loud. Started from the bottom, now I stand proud. No shortcuts, no lies, I see the hunger in my eyes. Push harder, rise above. This is pain that built my love. No excuses, push it harder. Break the limit, feel the fire. No excuses, every drop of sweat is taking me higher. No excuses, pain is temporary, glory lasts forever. No excuses, beast mode now and I'm stopping never. Yeah. Electric pulse running under my skin. Every battle outside, I battle within. No surrender, no fear in my chest. I was born to grind, I was built for the test. They talk weak, but I move strong. Every setback only proves them wrong. Bible loaded like my life depends. One more rep till the weakness ends. Storm in my blood, thunder in breath. Train so hard till there's nothing left. Champions rise when excuses die. So I lift my soul and aim sky high. Lights flash, bass hits, heart pounds, never quit. Rise up, stand tall, no excuses, give it all. No excuses, push it harder. Break the limit, feel the fire. No excuses, every drop of sweat is taking me higher. No excuses, pain is temporary, glory lasts forever. No excuses, beast mode now and I'm stopping never. No excuses, only results, no fear, only strength. This is more than fitness, this is domination.